The storm's over, though! Tornado? Flood warning?
The following message is for the following county, Bladen, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, western Pembroke County in southeastern North Carolina until 8:30 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., Doppler radar indicated showers and thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
These radios are going
Source:
off like...
radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rowan, Point Caswell, Brooks, Kelly, Curry, The Borough, Ward's Corner, Malbas Corner, Montague, Carvers, Long Creek, Council, and Atkinson. Dangerous flooding from heavy rainfall can be expected, especially near poor drainage areas and other flood-prone locations. It is harder to recognize flood dangers at night, as it will be difficult to determine the depth of the water. Roads may be damaged or washed away. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. If flooding is observed, then turn around. Don't drown. Flood advisory in effect until 8 p.m. this evening replaces flood warning. What? Flooding caused by runoff from the earlier excessive rainfall is expected.